So one of the things I've been hearing a lot about on social media and blogs is training your hair, which my understanding is going several days without washing your hair um, so that it can let the natural oil settle and your scalp can balance out. So unknowingly, it's something I've been doing for a few years now. Mostly because I'm lazy, and secondly because usually my hair is a lot longer. I've recently cut it off because it just got way too heavy. So the first time I had really heard about training your hair was with a friend, and we were talking about how we wash our hair once a week, do it, and then maybe touch it up with some dry shampoo, texture spray, or just kind of touch up our curls once a week. But you can notice it's been about 3 or 4 days. My hair doesn't look greasy at all, and my hair has kept the same curl. So sometimes I'll just take my curling iron and then just go in and kind of add a little bit more volume. But with training my hair, basically day one, I wash it in shampoo and condition my hair. Put in some argan oil if it's feeling a little dry. I use this Marrakesh oil on the ends only, and then basically curl it, and then every day thereafter for the next 6 days I can just wake up, go to work, and my hair looks the same as it did the first day, barring any need to touch it up. The other thing too is if your hair is a little greasier, you can use basically a dry oil control spray or a texture spray, or even like just dry shampoo. So I've tried a lot of samples of dry shampoo, but whatever scented one you like. Your hair may be different than mine, so I really don't need the dry shampoo. I just use it here and there, or if I feel like my head's getting a little smelly, if I've worked out during the week, I definitely use dry shampoo to pick up any of those oils or the sweat, but it doesn't actually get it out, so you have to keep that in mind. I will wash my hair if I get spit up or anything gross in it during the week. Say I'm cooking and something splatters up, like can't really just rinse out a part of your hair. So that's the only time I'll wash it. It takes a couple of weeks for your hair to normalize, so you are going to have a greasy week. You just can't get away from it. I think as much dry shampoo as you can use is helpful, but at some point you're just going to overload your hair with dry shampoo. So we call it like the messy bun week or the really sleek bun week, because your hair's already greasy. Just throw your hair up in a nice sleek bun, or you can try braids or anything different, but go ahead, give it a try. Let us know your questions, or let me know any of your questions, any comments, like how your experience goes, and best of luck to you.